Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to share you some information related to Tommy's Express car. You should use their services or not. Is their services really good or what? You should join or not. So basically, as you know, they have different kinds of plans when you join their membership, like quality, super and ultimate and the work. There are lots of facilities they are providing right now. Okay, so basically if we talk about this brand, basically Tommy's Express car wash is a very popular and old brand. This brand is approx like 10 years from now, and in the period of 10 years they have good reputation on internet. Okay, but when we checking, there's some information on Trustpilot, like they have a profile also on Trustpilot, but the rating is not too good. Okay, and the reason of the rating is like some person is not experience good, and when they use their services, some of the locations there, you can say like staff is not so, you can say like gentle. So that's why the people giving, you can say like these kind of reviews. So you should ignore these kind of reviews, and you can go on their you can say like wash. They are really good brand. And what you can do, you should do one thing only, like when you visit on your nearest car wash club, you need to keep this thing in your mind. You should service your own vehicle at in front of your eyes. Okay, so don't you can say like left your vehicle on the service, and you should you can say like you should be very, you can say like eye focus. You should be on the store, you should be on the club when your vehicle is washing. Okay, so do all the work in front of your eyes, and once all thing is done, then you can take a delivery. Okay, and if you any problem you will see, then you can remind them, then you can tell them that there is a problem, and they will, you can say like they will fix the issue. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.